back to my channel. Today is the part 2 of my birthday presents of the LEGO Sonic the Hedgehog LEGO set. Yeah, today we're gonna make Sonic's Campfire Clash. Let's get into it. Whoa. Oh wow, these are paper bags. Oh wow. Okay, so we got 2 bags and these stuff here. Let's start with bag 1. Here's Sonic! And now we're gonna make his speed sphere. Gonna put Sonic in there and we'll be ready to go. Here's Sonic in the speed sphere. We're done Sonic's speed launcher. Now, if there's like a bad guy in town, like Shadow from the last video, we can just You can just lower into the launcher and then just launch him out of here. Moving on to bag 2. Wow, I'm kind of surprised that there's nothing powering up this gun Beetle, is it? Something like that. And thanks for my little brother buying me this Lego. And this robot, like the animal that powers it up, is a turtle, which I don't know the name of. We are done the set, but it's a lot of extra pieces for one bag. Okay, now so these gun tank or something and gun Beetle are just trying to stop Sonic from having like a sweet campfire after a big like fight with Shadow. But Eggman, I think, just too angry about that. And that's why he just got these suits, which Sonic can destroy, and that did not work. Second try. Third try. Oh, bonk. That did not work. There we go. Now post a comment below. Which set is better, Sonic's Campfire Clash or Shadow's Escape? And I'll catch you on the next part 3. See ya!